Today we will learn how to replace the sky in a video with a different sky. So let's move to the timeline. I've taken two video layers here. One is a video of a horse and the other is a video of the sky. I'll be changing the sky in the upper video layers. To do this, we will go to the effect control, then select the masking under the opacity. We will now mask the portion where the sky is visible in the video. To make masking easier, we will double click on the screen to enlarge it and then start the masking process. As you can see, the old sky has been removed. We will move the bottom lines of the mask feather away and set the mask feather to 160%. Now the masking looks smoother. You can increase and decrease the mask feather according to your preference to match it properly with the video footage. Next, select the lower sky layer and go to the position setting to adjust its position. Now it looks even better. If I play the video now, you will see it looks quite natural. To learn more amazing video editing techniques, click out our others video. Thank you for staying with us.